Hello, good evening everyone. This is Mr. Amarjyoti Nath, your IITJ physics mentor. Today also I am coming with a short video on numerical problems. Okay. Especially today's discussion will be on acceleration. Okay. Hope you like the video and share it with your friends. Well, the question says from given velocity time graph, which of the following is acceleration time graph? It is a question for the mains 2021 February only. Okay, so first you try and then only go with my solution. Well, so velocity time graph is given, so correspondingly we need to find out the acceleration time graph. Okay, so if you go with the basic definition, what I see here, acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity. Okay, so this dvdt is nothing but slope of vt graph. Okay, slope of vt graph. Here you see from this point to this point, slope is negative and constant. Okay, so it means acceleration should be just a negative only. Okay, for this part acceleration should be negative, but it should be constant. Well, so if I want to plot the acceleration time graph, first of all, so up to time this, okay, say this is t naught, up to time t naught, acceleration should be negative and it should be constant. Okay, then from t naught onwards, again this slope is positive. Okay, if the slope is positive, so acceleration also will be positive only. So and again it is constant, so here the acceleration will be like this. Okay, constant. Well, so almost their slope, magnitude of slope seem to be same only. So almost if what is the value here, okay, it is the negative value, and exactly same will be the positive value also by magnitude nearly, but we are not concerning about, we are just concerning about the pattern only. Okay, so it is clear that first it is wrong, because it says that here the acceleration is positive up to t naught time. Okay, but the slope of the graph is negative, so it will be negative only, and it says that acceleration is increasing. That is also impossible, because acceleration is nothing but dv/dt. Okay, slope of vt graph only. So it is clear that the third option is only correct. Okay, so automatically fourth option is also wrong. Well, so hope you could answer this question. It is a very interesting and easy question. Okay, so please do share with your friends, and also please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribing, so that you can get the notification on time. Well, good luck.